Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol DCIX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. While this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like you this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. And that question revolves around the fact that today was a very nice move. I can't imagine anybody sitting around saying that today wasn't a good move on the bulls' part. But that does lead to the question, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it's all centered around a single level, and that's why I love charts, makes things very straightforward. And that level is down here at, let's see, what is that? $2.60. Why is $2.60 so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with genuine power, with true strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly powerful, it's not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about $2.60. Any sort of closes below it, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what is that doing to the price? That's putting the price right back to within this range where it already was. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price pulls back here, bounces around, and then heads back up. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have this set of lows down here. If you picture each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction, and that's the name of the game, right? That's what truly strong moves do. Over time, they're going to make progress in the upwards direction. Now, ideally speaking, meaning, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute best going forward? If the price can keep on doing what it's been doing in regards to that pink line there, the 200 period simple moving average, meaning you can see multiple times the bears have tried to press down below it, but the bulls are doing a good job of providing support there. That would make the chart look the absolute strongest. But if the price does drop below it, by no means am I saying that everything's ruined or anything like that, because again, at least in my opinion, the must hold level, the no excuses level, is down there at $2.60. Now, what about areas of resistance? If this upwards move is going to continue, where's some of these next potential battlegrounds at? For this, going to scrunch up the charter just a tad. It's looking like that's where the price was rejected from today. But you had this previous range right here. Not quite, didn't hit it. So I'm going to call that right up here at about $3.25. You can see right here quite a bit of price congestion. And the price got relatively close to it right there. But $3.25, next key overall area of resistance going forward. No doubt about it, though. Very nice day today. Now it's just a question of, can the bulls build upon this momentum going forward? We shall see. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interested in and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point. And like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.